Hey guys, Twin Tool Soulful here. Those are my old batteries. Got the battery box there. Got them out. They weren't too bad. I was using the Interstate and these two Marines, and that was old car battery I was trying to charge up. But yep, those are out for sure. And get you a shot of the new ones real quick. All right, so I'm back in the carport. Those are the two there, just unloaded out of that little car there. But these are the two new golf cart batteries. There's a Super Starts. Bought them at my parts store, local parts store. And this thing will load up right. There's a part number. GC110DT. 75 amp rating for 120 minutes. So yeah, should be pretty good. Definitely gonna be a good start. So alright, let me throw these in there and probably post another little video clip here in a few minutes of it. All reassembled. Gotta do some wiring. Make a little jumper from the ground to the positive of the other one. Get my 12 volts. So, alright guys, until the next video, Twin Tool Soulful. Thank you.